Hello, can I help you? I'm looking for a t-shirt. Can I pay by card?
Thank you.
Excuse me, where is the shoe store?
Sports stores are on the second floor.
Great, and is there a food court here?
Yes, that is on the third floor.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where is the gift shop? It is on the first floor near the entrance. Is there a cafe? Yes, it is right next door.
Excuse me, where is the electronics store?
It is on the second floor next to the bookstore.
Do they sell smartphones?
Yes, they have many gadgets.
This model features our best camera.
Where's the cereal?
Aisle 7,
And the fresh milk?
in the back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have eggs?
Yes, we have fresh eggs right over here.
How much are they?
They're $3 for a dozen.
I'll take them.
Here you
And
go.
water?
In the fridge. There you go. Have a nice day.
You too. Good morning. I need rice and oil.
Good morning. We have great quality rice today.
Thank you. Have a great day. Morning. Are these apples fresh?
Good morning. Yes, they arrived this morning. They are $4 per kilogram.
I'll take some oranges too.
Yes, they are very sweet and juicy.
No, that's enough. Thank
Well,
you.
Enjoy your fruits.
Good morning. Are these fresh?
Good morning. Yes, they are. Direct from the farm today. I have fresh carrots and potatoes.
I will take some.
Great. Here you go. That's $6, please.
Thank you.
Have a healthy day.
Good morning. Are these fresh?
Yes, they arrived this morning.
Great. I'll take a kilo.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Do you have fresh chicken?
Yes, we have fresh chicken and beef.
I need some chicken breast.
Sure. How much would you like?
1 kilogram, please.
Here you go.
Have a great day.
Good morning. Good morning. Is this salmon fresh? Yes, it is. $12 per kilo. Would you like me to clean it? I'll take some shrimp too. Sure, I'll prepare that now. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hello, I'm looking for a birthday cake.
Hello, sure.
I want something with chocolate.
Our chocolate cake is very popular.
How big is it?
It's enough
for about 10 people.
Please write, Happy Birthday, Emma.
Sure. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Good morning. Can I help you?
I'd like 2 croissants, please.
Sure. Here you go. Anything else?
Do you have chocolate cake?
Yes, we have fresh chocolate cake over here.
Perfect. I'll take 1 slice.
Great choice. Enjoy your day. Hello. I'm looking for a gift.
Our boxes are popular. They include chocolates and gummies. Here is your gift box.
Thank you. This is wonderful.
Good morning. What coffee do you recommend?
Our cappuccino is very popular.
I'll have a medium cappuccino and a muffin, please.
Hello, I need a special gift. This collection is our most popular. Great, I'll take it. Here you go, I hope they love it. Thank you so much. I'm looking for a good tea for the evening. Do you prefer green or herbal tea? I want something relaxing. I recommend this herbal tea. Does it have caffeine? This one is caffeine-free. Hello, I'm looking for some spices.
What are you planning to cook?
I want to make a chicken dish.
Try this. It adds a rich flavor. Here is some fresh cinnamon.
Hello, are these vegetables organic?
Yes, all grown without chemical pesticides. Try some of our organic honey too. Hello, I'm looking for vitamins.
Hello, what kind are you looking for?
Something for daily health.
This multivitamin is a bestseller.
Great, and hand sanitizer?
It is on that shelf. Have a healthy day. Hello, I am looking for a new lipstick. Hello, what color do you like? Something natural for every... It is beautiful. Of course, here's the tester. Skinner products too? Great, I'll pack it for you. Thank you. Hello, I'm looking for something easy to cook.
We have many ready-to-cook meals here.
How long does it take to cook them?
Only 15 minutes in an air fryer.
Perfect, I will take those too.
I'm looking for running shoes.
I recommend this pair.
Let me try size 42. These fit perfectly. I'll take them.
That's $80, please. Enjoy your new shoes. I'm looking for fresh milk.
We have local fresh milk here. We have blueberry and plain yogurts.
Perfect.
I'll pack them for you. Have a healthy day.
Do you have this in a smaller size? Let me check for you. Wonderful. I'll take it. I'll prepare it for you. Hello, I am looking for a moisturizer. What type of skin do you have? I recommend this one for dry skin. That sounds good. Can I test it? It feels very smooth. I'll take one. I'll prepare it for you. Have a wonderful day. Hello, I'm looking for a new backpack. I recommend this one for work. That looks very useful. Is it waterproof? Yes, it is water resistant. I'll take it. How much is it? It is $60. Great, thank you for your help. Hello, I'm looking for a small gift. I recommend this silver bracelet. It is one of our most popular items. That's perfect. I will take it. I hope my friend likes it. I'm sure she will love it.
Hello, I'm looking for a gift. It's for an anniversary.
I recommend this gold necklace.
It is absolutely perfect.
It is $500.
Great, I will take it.
Wonderful. Have a great anniversary.
Hello, how can I help you? I'm looking for an everyday watch. I like this classic model. It is water resistant. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy it.
Hello, I'm looking for an English learning book.
The language section is over here.
I like this book. How much is it?
It's $20.
Hello, I need school supplies. Hello, notebooks are right here. Perfect. Do you have pens? Yes, right next to them. Great, I'll take all these. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm looking to make a handmade gift. What would you like to make? A simple decoration. Try these craft kits. What's included? Paper, glue, and instructions. Do you have ribbon next to the fabrics? I'll take these. Thank you for your help. Enjoy. Hello, I am looking for souvenirs. Are they for gifts? These handmade souvenirs are very popular. They are beautiful. Are they made locally? I will take these keychains and postcards. Hello, I'm looking for a gift. I recommend this gift set. Great, I'll take this one. Would you like it wrapped? Yes, please, that would be great. I hope your friend likes it. Thank you for your help. Hello, I need a bouquet. Fresh roses and lilies are lovely. It is ready for you. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Hello, I'm looking for a new sofa.
I recommend this modern sofa here.
It's perfect. I will take this one.
Great choice. I will arrange the delivery.
Thank you so much for your help. Hello, I need decorations for my apartment.
I recommend these simple modern pieces.
And painting.
I will pack them safely for you. Enjoy decorating your new home.
Thank you. Hello, looking for a mattress.
Hi.
Soft but supportive. Try this memory foam. Can I try it?
Of course. Lie down.
It's very comfortable.
Queen and king sizes.
Perfect. I'll
Great.
take it.
Sleep well.
Hello.
Hello.
I need a rug.
We have many.
Is this soft?
Yes, very.
I'll buy it.
Great choice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, looking for a desktop. What will you use it for? You use it for office work and video editing. How much RAM does it have? 16 gigabytes. Great, I'll take it. Excellent choice.
Hello, I'm looking for an outfit for a special event. I'd be happy to help. It's a dinner event, is it? Yes, weekend. Great. It looks great on me. Get it for you. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. I'm looking for a new pair of glasses.
Let me help you choose a frame.
Try this frame.
It is very light.
I like this style. It's perfect.
Thank you. Have a great day. I need a gift for my son.
How old is he?
He's 6.
These educational toys are perfect.
Great.
I hope he enjoyed. Hello, I need items for a newborn. Congratulations. I'd be happy to help. Perfect, I'll take 2. I'll pack these for you. Have a wonderful day.
I'm looking for a new TV. I recommend this 4K smart TV. Does it include a warranty? Yes, it has 2 years. Great, I'll buy this one. Excellent, I'll prep your order. Thank you.
I need a modern lamp.
I recommend this LED ceiling lamp.
Is it energy efficient?
Yes, and it will make your living room look elegant.
Great, I'll take it.
Thank you. Have a bright day.
I'm looking for floor tiles.
I recommend these modern ceramic tiles.
I really like this marble design.
They are perfect for living rooms. I'll calculate how many you need.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Hello, I'm looking for some tools for a home repair. They're in section 4. Good luck with your project. I'll help you prepare them. Have a great day.
I'm looking for bedroom paint, something calm.
I recommend these soft, washable colors.
Perfect, I'll take this one.
Great. Do you need a roller?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, I'm looking for new curtains.
I recommend these modern blackout curtains.
They look nice. Do they block sunlight?
Yes, they block most sunlight.
That is perfect for me.
Great choice.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Aisle 5, next to the yogurt.
How much is this bread?
$2.50, and it's on sale.
Great, I'll take it.
Anything else?
No, thank you. Excuse me, where is the bottled water?
It's in aisle 3.
Is this juice on sale?
Yes, it is 20 off.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Good morning. How much are these tomatoes?
Good morning. They're $2 per kilo.
Great, I'll take 1 kilogram, please. Thank you. Excuse me, where are the rice cookers?
In appliances, past kitchenware.
Great, any discounts today?
Yes, 15% off.
Thanks for your help.
Have a great day.
Excuse me, do you have this in a medium? Let me check. Yes, here is a medium size. It's perfect, I'll take it. It is 10% off today. Have a nice day. Welcome to our boutique. Hello, I'm looking for a new perfume. I recommend this fresh and elegant one. Perfect, I'll take this bottle. I'll prepare it for you. Enjoy your new fragrance. Thank you for your help.